failing to offer a guest checkout option goes against user expectations and directly leads to checkout abandonments. However, users sometimes struggle to find the guest checkout option when it was unclear or hidden. Let's explore how to make it more accessible. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymard Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 652 of Baymard's large-scale usability test findings. Make guest checkout the most prominent option. When guest checkout isn't visible, many users hesitate to proceed, not wanting to create an account just to check out. In fact, Baymard's research shows that 25% of US shoppers have abandoned carts in the past quarter due to forced account creation. During testing of Walgreens' mobile app, several users couldn't find the guest checkout option because the keyboard triggered by the sign-in form obscured it. Even after dismissing the keyboard, the option was still hard to notice due to its subdued placement below the sign-in button. Across multiple rounds of UX testing on desktop and mobile, we've observed several guest checkout implementations that caused users to struggle. Let's explore each of these challenges. At Gucci, the guest checkout option is labeled "Continue with your email address," which doesn't reassure users that account registration isn't required. Users who prefer to check out without signing in are typically drawn to options explicitly labeled with the word guest, such as guest checkout or checkout as guest. On Crate & Barrel, the clear labeling of the guest checkout option gives users who don't want to sign in or register a clear path forward. In both desktop and mobile testing, users were far more likely to overlook guest checkout when it was presented as a simple text link. On Sephora's mobile site, for example, the option appears as a text link at the bottom of the account selection page, making it easy for users to miss. On Bass Pro Shop's mobile site, the prominent button for Continue as Guest provides a clear call to action for users who want to move forward without signing in. In both desktop and mobile testing, users struggled to find the guest checkout option when it was placed below sign-in or account creation options. Positioning it lower on the page caused significant delays for users. While using ASOS's mobile app, this participant assumed she had to create an account due to the prominence of sign-in options. Scrolling further would have revealed the guest checkout option, but it was poorly labeled and easy to miss. On mobile sites and apps, limited screen space makes the placement of guest checkout even more critical. To ensure it's not overlooked, the guest checkout option should always appear at the top of the account selection step, above sign-in or account creation options. Some sites perform a live account lookup and add a password field if an account exists. Without a clear guest checkout option, some users hesitate, fearing they must create an account. On Everlane, a first-time user of the site hesitated to check out because there was no explicit option for guest checkout. At Lowe's, all users are thrown into the guest checkout flow, but microcopy at the top of the checkout page reassures users that continuing will not inadvertently register them. These were some of the highlights from our research findings. We have much more detailed information on optimizing your account selection and creation, including over 120 checkout guidelines in our research catalog. Go to baymard.com/research to learn more.